Mr. Hamid is an engineer who has recently graduated from one of the engineering university under Washington Accord. After successful completion of his studies, he was looking for opportunities that gave him job-ready experience and career pathway. One of his friends advised that Australia are looking for fresh international graduates with good English, offering them work visa that allows them to work and study in Australia. Mr. Hamid consulted Think Higher Consultants without wasting any time. Think Higher Consultants provided him hassle-free and high-quality processing services. He got his 476 work visa in few months. Hamid landed to Australia and found a good job. He also studied professional year program in Australia through Think Higher Consultants and got his permanent residency in no time. Contact Think Higher Consultants for 476 engineering graduate work visa. He provided personalized and on-spot services, leads to permanent visa pathways and Australian citizenship. Web, www.thinkhigher.com.au. Facebook, Think Higher Consultants. Twitter, Think Higher AUS. Instagram, Think Higher Consultants.